Dreaming of eating bread. Dream interpretations. Hello and welcome to Dream Interpretations, your sanctuary for understanding the hidden messages of your subconscious mind. Today we delve into a profound and common dream symbol: eating bread. Bread, often called the staff of life, carries immense psychological and spiritual weight across cultures and throughout history. Psychologically, dreaming of eating bread often points to fundamental needs and nourishment. It can signify your basic requirements for survival, security, and well-being. Are you feeling fulfilled in your waking life? Is there an area where you feel nourished or perhaps lacking? Eating bread in a dream might suggest you are integrating new experiences or ideas that are vital for your personal growth. If the bread is fresh and delicious, it usually indicates satisfaction, contentment, and a sense of abundance. You might be feeling truly nourished emotionally, intellectually, or spiritually. However, the condition of the bread is crucial. Stale or moldy bread could signal feelings of deprivation, regret, or even wasted opportunities. It might be a prompt from your subconscious to address areas where you feel neglected or where resources are no longer serving you. Conversely, baking bread in a dream suggests you are actively creating your own sustenance, manifesting your desires, and working towards stability and security. It speaks to self-sufficiency and the satisfaction of one's own efforts. Spiritually, bread has profound significance. In many traditions, it symbolizes life, spiritual sustenance, community, and even divine connection. Eating bread in a dream could represent a yearning for spiritual nourishment, a connection to a higher purpose, or feeling connected to your community and loved ones. It can also signify sharing and communion, hinting at the importance of relationships and shared experiences in your life. This dream is a powerful reminder to examine what truly sustains you, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. Pay attention to the details. Who were you with? What did the bread taste like? These nuances will unlock deeper insights into your personal journey. Thank you for joining me on this introspective journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more dream insights, and share your bread dreams in the comments below.